Are you ready to transform the way you do your quiz? Meet Quiz AI, a platform that makes quizzes smarter, faster, and more engaging. With Quiz AI, those challenges become a thing of the past. Our cutting-edge platform uses artificial intelligence to create tailored quizzes in seconds, saving time and boosting productivity. Enjoy features like AI-driven question generation, diverse formats, and real-time performance insights, perfect for students, educators, and trainers alike. Quizmaster AI simplifies learning with 3 core modules: lesson file upload and summarization, question generation, and quiz creation with summaries, all designed to make studying smarter and faster. We've integrated Bloom's taxonomy to ensure our questions cover all levels of learning, from remembering basics to creating new ideas. Quizmaster AI empowers meaningful learning at every step. Start by uploading your lesson file. Quizmaster AI quickly processes the content and generates a clear, concise summary, saving you valuable time. With Quizmaster AI, generate questions by choosing the difficulty level, number of questions, and the type of questions you want. For difficulty levels, select Standard to choose from easy, medium, or hard. For more control, pick Advanced to customize the Bloom's taxonomy level and add specific comments to refine your questions. Once your quiz is ready, test your knowledge by answering questions directly on the platform with instant feedback. After completing the quiz, view a detailed summary of your performance and key takeaways to improve your understanding.